Welcome to TechGig webinar series, our endeavor to empower techies. We believe that sharing of knowledge is the key to enhance our skills and grow us as professionals. With this principle in mind, we have initiated a series of webinars conducted by industry experts to give you all a crisp insight on various domains. Today's topic is Application Release Automation Continuous Delivery through DevOps, and we have with us today Mr. Amit Vaid, Advisory Engineer, Test Automation, IBM Rational Software. Mr. Vaid is presently working as Advisory Software Engineer with IBM Rational Software with over 9 years of research and development experience, working with IBM Rational's products with proven experience in all phases of product development. Development background includes design, development testing, and technical consulting of various software products. In his present role, he is involved with development and evangelizing of functional test automation. So without any further delay, I am going to pass on the presentation to Mr. Vaid. Amit, over to you.
Thanks for the introduction.
Amit, also request you to put your mic very close so that we can all hear you clearly, and make sure that your audio setting is correct. Okay, thanks.
Okay. So thanks everyone for taking time for today's session on application release automation through continuous delivery. So let's look at the agenda. In today's presentation, I think there is a little lag, so I'll wait for my presentation to, my slide to come up. Yeah, so looking at the agenda, we would talk about why do we need DevOps. That's one of the buzzwords that's, that's being discussed in the industry very often nowadays, and based on the emerging market needs. DevOps is one of the key things that's gaining momentum. We would also look at what are the challenges for continuous delivery and why do we need continuous delivery. We would look at Urban Code. This is one of the recent acquisition which IBM has made with IBM's continuous commitment towards growing continuous software development. We realized that DevOps is one of the key strategic areas. We already had some tools to realize DevOps methodology. So Urban Code is only complementing IBM's commitment towards DevOps. So we would be looking at some of the key components of DevOps, Urban Code. Typically, you deploy and you release. So without further ado, I would jump into the presentation. I'm at slide 3. So the first and the basic question is,